first alert.
Well, here's what we're dealing with. We're going to be looking at some very strong winds coming our way as we make our way through tomorrow. So the morning, not going to be too bad, but the winds will start to increase as we continue into, say, mid-morning and certainly the afternoon. Here's how we break it down for you. Southwest to westerly winds, 25 to 35 with gusts at 50. And I think the 50-mile-an-hour gusts are going to come a little bit later in the day. Now, before 4 o'clock, it will certainly be windy. So 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock will be in that windy category. But I think the peak winds at 50 will hit between 4 and about 11 o'clock tomorrow night. What happens after 11 o'clock? Still windy, but the winds will gradually come down just a bit as we make our way into your Saturday morning. Here's a look at your dust tracker. All right, we start the clock here at lunchtime. Now, early in the day, the winds will crank up even more out here in portions of Doña County and extreme western portions of Doña County and actually Luna County. And what's going to happen is dust and sand is going to continue to make its way towards the west. And that will track across the area tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow night. Likely to see some reduced visibility. It's not going to be a complete brownout, I don't think, but certainly we will be tracking some of that dust and sand. So if you're going to be out and about tomorrow, you might want to wear your mask to keep some of those particulates from breathing that in. And if you have allergies or respiratory issues, it'll take a little bit more concern for you. 7 o'clock, 60 degrees. Lunchtime at 84. 5 o'clock will be at 91. Again, we're going to be dealing with some hazy conditions during the afternoon and evening. Not there right now. Certainly a very delightful afternoon. 88 in Deming. We have 89 in Las Cruces. Alamogordo at 86. Notice Cloudcroft, 64. Up in Ruidoso at 75. Sierra Blanca and Van Horn looking at some upper 80s and lower 90s. Here's how the temperatures look for tomorrow. Out ahead of a lot of that blowing dust and sand and the strong winds, we're going to see those temperatures in the low to mid 90s. So certainly going to be a very warm day. Here's how it looks overnight tonight. It's clear. No issues, 61 degrees by tomorrow morning, 92 expected high temperature. By the way, your sunrise time will be at 6:30. The winds will get stronger as the day progresses. 54 overnight for you guys in Las Cruces. Your high temp tomorrow will make it up to 90 degrees. Watch over the next several days. 81 will cool things down behind that cold front. 79 on Sunday. Then notice next week, we're still anticipating maybe some chances for some rain Tuesday into early Wednesday, a 10 to 20% chance, Mark.
Doppler, thanks.